Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. I am back with another installment of the American Cars collection. I received 4 more cars this month. They are fantastic. I have not seen another car out there that fit with this collection. 43rd scale, all the cars are unique and you won't find them anywhere else. So if you haven't done so already, head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and start your collection today. So without further ado, let's get started. And welcome back to another installment of the American Cars collection from DeAgostini Collectibles. I received 4 more cars this month in pack number 16. Now remember, you can purchase this collection from DeAgostini Collectibles. I put a direct link in the description below. So the first car is car 59, the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat from 2020. Next is car number 60, the Buick Century Free Spirit 1975. Car 61 is the Chevrolet Corvette from 2020. And lastly, car 62, the Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z from 1986. Let's look at this magazine real quick just to show you what the magazine is all about. 12 to 13 pages, semi-gloss pages. Lots of history, lots of great articles about these cars found within the pages here. Great photography, and just really can't go wrong. I love the centerfold. Very nice. And articles here, Surprising SSR, The Great American Race, and big article on that. And then normally at the end there they give us what happened in history on this time for January 1986, the Living Seas. Let's get a preview of those cars here real quick. The Dodge SRT, the Buick Century, the Chevrolet Corvette, and the Chevrolet Camaro. Let's get started with the first car. First up, car number 59, the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. And looks like we have Southern California in the background there. Take the cover off, get a closer view. And there you go. Dark metallic green, doesn't really show it very well on the video. Black racing stripes, black interior, hood scoops. Look at the brake detail on the calipers, red calipers. Wow, very nice. I love the stance of this car, the headlights. Just looks like a mean muscle car there. The other side, the black rims, low profile tires. And look at the back. Look at the taillights, they really shine out. Dual exhaust. Fantastic. Very impressive. This is a unique collection. You won't find this anywhere else. Fantastic. We'll look at the next car. And the next car is car number 60, the Buick Century Free Spirit from 1975. And it's a beauty. It is painted in the Indianapolis 500 livery for the official pace car, as you can see. And looks like we just have open roads there. Could be Wyoming, I don't know. Let's get a closer look at the car. And there you have it. Famous 1975 graphics for the Indianapolis 500. The pace car, red, white, and blue paint scheme. Fantastic looking there. Very nice. This is Buick's opportunity to highlight their brand. And of course we have the open T-tops on the top. It has blue carpet and dash interior with white seats. Give you a little view of that. Very unique. I've never seen a diecast like this before. So only in this collection can you get a car like this. Fantastic. Let's look at the next car. And I was wrong, that's Mississippi. And the next car is car 61, the Chevrolet Corvette from 2020. And here that is there. The background looks to be like Flagstaff, Arizona, but I'm not absolutely sure with that. Let's get a closer view. And here it is. It's a deep red. I love the black wheels, the black accents. This is probably one of my favorite versions of the Corvette. Kind of brings back the old Stingray version of it. Very detailed here, very nice. For 43rd scale, it really pops. Fantastic. Let's look at the top. Definitely mid-engine Corvette, right? You got the engine back there. Interior is black. Fantastic. I like the brake disc rotor detail. Once again, red rotors. Fantastic. The graphics is outstanding with the Corvette logo on the nose. And just that look, right? Says it all. Okay, let's look at the last car that came this month. And here's the last car for pack 16. Car 62, the Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z from 1986. And here's the car there. Background looks like, could be Louisiana, it could be Puerto Rico, I don't know. Puerto Rico kind of looked like that to me. But there you go. Let's get a closer view. And here you go. Black with silver accents. IROC-Z, Z28. Silver stripe there, black interior, South Carolina plate on the front. Very well detailed there. Silver wheels. The distinctive tail lights for the Camaro, third brake light on top, dual exhaust, and view from above. Fantastic. And there you have it. That's all the cars in this month, so I'll be right back. And there you have it. That was a review of pack 16. All four cars here were reviewed earlier. The Dodge Challenger, the Buick Century, Chevrolet Corvette, and the Chevrolet Camaro. Remember, you can pick up your collection from DeAgostini Collectibles. I put a link down below. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care. We'll see you again next month.